For those who might need to know, 2014 Volkswagen Touareg R-Line TDI. In the back of the car here, lift up that compartment where your spare tire is, put that to the side, and this is where you add the depth fluid or the AdBlue. So, went to AutoZone, got the $10 2.5 gallon joint. It don't have to be Volkswagen's AdBlue, that's a specific brand name. It could be the Peak Blue Depth, or it could be the AutoZone or Walmart stuff. But I'm about to add it here. So this is where you add it, not in a gas tank, not in a fuel tank. And so here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It took the whole 2.5 gallon joint of the AutoZone Shop Pro depth fluid. By the way, the car was given a warning saying that it was low on depth fluid and had 600 miles left, or else it won't start. So that should do it. Hold me over for a while. I think this car has a 5 to 10 gallon capacity, so that 2.5 gallons was all good.